Hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? How are you? Good evening. Yes, once again, good evening to everyone. Hope you all are fine. Okay, Priyans, fine. Others have also. Thank you. Thank you so much. I also hope that I'm also fine, and I guess that everyone, you all are okay and fine. Okay, must be busy with your school. Okay, so as you remember, last class I told you that we have completed all the 8 parts of speech. So today we are going to discuss about articles. So you must remember from your upper nursery, means like KG, kindergarten, you started reading this article a, an, and the. Mainly a and an, not the use of the. But standard 1 and 2, you know that what is like you have to use a, an, and the before or now. So articles are the three little words like a, an, and the, which is very, very important because like it makes the sentence proper. If there is a wrong article, the sentence meaning will be changed. So let us discuss thoroughly about articles, that is a and the types of articles like the definite and indefinite, and how to use a and the properly so that you will not do any mistake while doing this article exercises. Okay. So you see, as I told you, the three little words a and the are the articles in English grammar. A and an are called the indefinite article, and the is the definite article. So here, indefinite and definite article means like, as you know that indefinite article a and the is used before like the noun, which is not like a specific or definite, and the is used before definite. Let us discuss. An article in an adjective, like adjectives, articles modify nouns. As I told you, like adjective also used before noun. Same way, articles also used before noun. Okay, so you see the three sentences. A, an, and the are called articles. A and an are the indefinite articles, and the is the definite articles. So when I'm going to, when next slide or after that, when I will tell you how to use a and an, there I'll tell you what is indefinite and what is okay definite. But articles usually comes before noun to specify whether the noun is general or specific. Again, you listen. Usually now articles comes before a noun to specify whether the noun is like general or specific. Okay, let's. So you can say a and the. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns as it is definite article. That means it is used before a definite noun. Maybe a person or thing. Definite means fixed. Like we have, remember, we have common noun, proper noun. Proper noun means that's a specific name is given. Same way, it is not like proper noun, but it is used before a specific noun. A and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular noun. As I told you, in general, this is. You can see here, we can read like nouns are names of people. Uh, Nouns are names of people, places, animals, or things. Okay, because I'm unable to see because the laptop top is covered with that. You can see the pictures a person, or thing, or place. Children, listen. Here we cannot write like an person, an thing, an place, or the person, the thing, the. It is a person means it's just general. It is not specific. Or thing, it's a table or stool, whatever you can say. And as we see the picture of Taj Mahal, when we say Taj Mahal, it has become. But here it's a place. So place is a. It is non-specific. So we use like uh, a before that. Before beginning with a consonant sound, like here I am telling you, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, that is A to Z, you know. And there are 5 vowels, only 5 vowels, and those are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. Rest of the letters are called consonant. That means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are called consonants. Means out of 26 letters, 5 are vowel and rest 21 letters are consonants. So now, in general, like in standard 1 and like lower classes like upper nursery and standard 1, you know, that an is used before the word which begins with a vowel, means A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, the words begins with, before that we write an, and the words begins with consonants, we use O. But here, I'm just going to tell you, we use an before the word which has a vowel sound at the beginning. Remember, vowel sound at the beginning, not the vowel. A, E, I, O, U are like vowel, but sometimes the words begins with A, E, I, O, U, but we don't use an, we use A, because at the beginning the vowel sound doesn't come. Okay, let us read. Before beginning with a consonant sound, or boy or bird. Boy, like B, is a consonant sound. Bird, bird also, it's the beginning, but also a consonant sound. Before a singular noun beginning, like a book, or school, or dog. Here's book, school, and dog, all beginning consonant sound. It is not vowel sound. Even before vowel sound, which do not have vowel sound, you see, European. European, it is begins with E-U-R-O-P-E-N, European. So here it begins with E, but the vowel sound doesn't come. Let us think of egg, E-G-G, egg, then eagle, okay, elephant. But here European, European, the sound is, the vowel sound doesn't come. Think of the sound of like egg, eagle, elephant, and European. The here and as the beginning vowel sound not, it doesn't come, so we use A, like unit, union, uniform, unicorn. Before we write A uniform, or like we say or uniform, or unicorn, or union, or unit, okay, or one-eyed animal, like that. So here you see here the or unit, you see it begins with U, but the sound comes like Y-O-U-U or Y-U-U, like that. But you think of umbrella, uncle, utensils, the sound is different. So when the vowel sound comes, we use an. Even if the vowel, but vowel sound doesn't come, we don't use that. We use A. You see again, it is all university. Here, see, it begins with U, but the pronunciation is U. Y-O-U-U or Y-U-U sound coming, university. So it is all university, or uniform, or 1 rupee note, one. You see, O-N-E, one, one. We do. You think of other words like ox, orange, okay? Like ox and orange, pronunciation of O vowel sound comes. Here, one 1 rupee note, wa sound comes. So it is not a vowel sound. So we write a 1 rupee note. Now you see, like here, a girl, a clock, a lamp, all consonant sounds like G, C, and L, all consonant sounds. So we use A before that. Before a word beginning with a vowel, an idiot, an apple. Idiot means like foolish, and an apple. You see here, I, idiot, and apple, its vowel sound comes at the beginning. What the sound of A? Ah, okay? Apple, ant, all that, okay? Again, before a word beginning with H, but not sounded. You see, when we say house, 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 horse, HORSE, horse. But when we say hour, HOUR, like 1 hour, 2 hours, hour, we say honest. You see in here, hour and honest, the H remains silent. The H sound doesn't come. The her. Think of the sound of house. Her. We never pronounce HOUR, hour. We don't pronounce it. We pronounce it as hour. Like honest, HONEST. We never pronounce it honest. We pronounce it as honest. So here, this hour, honest, and honor, all these H begins with H, but the H sound remains silent and the vowel sound comes. So we write an R, an honest man, okay, an honorable person, okay, like that. And then just tell me what I taught you so far, A and an. Do you understand? Just tell me yes or no. Suryakant Barik, I request that children don't send unnecessary emojis. It creates confusion. Suryakant, please don't send so many things, so many emojis. Only write Priti Pragya, yes. Arnav, yes, very good. Diptimai, yes. If you don't understand, also say no. But unnecessary emojis, you please don't send because your friends will be disturbed and I will be disturbed. Okay? Just write yes or no. And if you have any doubt, also yes, very good. Very good. Thank you so much, Fayaz, Subrat. Very good. Thank you. Let's come to our next slide. We use an before the words begins with A, E, I, O, U. You can see now orange, an umbrella, an eye. You see orange, ox. Because the vowel sound comes orange. So an orange, umbrella, an umbrella, eye, an eye. So here the vowel sound comes. So we use an before the word. Then where to use the? The is the definite article where it is used before the definite noun. Let me tell you, children, like suppose I will give one example. If the noun is repeated in a paragraph, then the first one we don't write but second, third times when the noun repeats, we use the. Let me tell you an example. There is a tree near our school gate. There is a tree near our school gate. This is the first sentence. There is a tree near our school gate. Second sentence, the tree is very old. So here in the second sentence, I meant that the tree which is near our school gate. In the second sentence, the tree becomes specified. So the first sentence, there is a tree like near our school gate. And the second sentence, the tree is very old. So remember, when the noun is repeated second or third time, it becomes specific and we use like the before that. So let us read. Look at your slide. Before unique objects, unique means which is particular, the sun, the moon, the sky, all these are one and unique. So we use sun, sky, moon. Before that, we use definite article the. There is one sun, there is no other second sun. That is, those things are unique. The sun, the sky, the moon. Second one. before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, and deserts. So you know that we have so many mountains in India and other countries also. So before any mountains, rivers, and oceans, and seas, and deserts, we use the, because it is particular. Ganga, the Ganga. It is written the Ganges. Okay, plural of that. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Mahanadi, the Brahmaputra. Then they like rivers, then mountains, the Himalaya. Okay, the Kanchenjunga, like that. Then oceans, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, we can say the Bay of Bengal. Then the desert, we can say Sahara, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, all that. Then again come to number 3. Before the names of books, you know that we have holy books and particular books like the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata are the holy books of Hindus. So all these particular books, before we use the, because they are the definite article, definite or specific noun. So the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Then the Bible. Bible is the holy book of Christian. Okay. Then the Quran. The Quran is the holy book of Islam. Then the Guru Granth Sahib. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. Okay. So before all the holy books, we use the. Another thing, before the superlative degree. Children, you may not know the superlative degree, but when I taught adjective, I said like I discussed little bit, like positive, comparative, and superlative. Like a tall, taller, tallest. Tall is the positive word. Then when we compare between two, then it will be taller. Then when, suppose I'll give one example. Rohan is a tall boy. Rohan is a tall boy. Ashok is taller than Rohan. Now, first sentence, Rohan is a tall boy. Second one, we are comparing the height of Rohan and Ashok. So I can say Ashok is taller than Rohan. Okay. Then I can say Sahil is the tallest boy in the class. So comparing Rohan, Ashok, and Sahil, Sahil is the tallest. So first, Rohan is a tall boy. Tall is the positive word. And when we are comparing like Ashok and Rohan, then taller is the comparative. And when I say Sahil is the tallest, tallest is the superlative. So all the words like big, bigger, biggest, smart, smarter, smartest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, all the superlative degrees like the word now, what we use the best, the tallest, the most beautiful lady, then the bravest boy, like that. Okay. So before all superlative degree, we use the. Next, number 5. Before musical instrument, you know that so many musical instruments are there, like piano, casio, flute, violin, harmonium. Before all musical instrument, we use the. Okay. Then come to 6. Before an adjective to denote a whole class, before an adjective to denote a whole class, like a group, the old, the rich, the poor. Here I am telling you, here when it is saying that the old, it is not like one old. The old means it's a class, means a group of old people. When we say the police means not a one. When one police is there we say the policeman or the police woman. But when we say the police, it's a group of police. Same way, the old, it's a group of old. The rich, group of rich people. The poor, group of here whole class means group here. Understand? Children, do you understand what I say? Can you just tell me? Yes or no? Suryakant, thank you so much. You said okay. Thank you. Small children, sometime you like send emojis, but it's okay. But next time will not. Okay. Shubhrat, yes. Kavita, Shivani, Kuttu, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's come to this. You see, there are the pictures already we discussed. The sky, the world, the North Pole. Children, you see, these are the definite word before which we use the. Then now, I'm just telling you that these definite articles I will read little bit elaborate, because once you will like understand clearly, then you can like you will, if the concept is clear, you will not do any mistake. The article the is used before noun to indicate that the noun is specific and known to both the speaker and the listener. So how the noun is become specific? Speaker and listener. So now I am the speaker, I'm speaking, and you are the listener. When I will talk about something using the, that means that that noun is known by the speaker and the listener. Okay. Um, it's used when referring to a particular person, place or thing, or when there is only one of something. Like here is a breakdown of when to use the. Break means I will discuss. See, first, already I told you, it indicates the noun which is specific, known to the speaker and the listener. Again, it is referring to a particular person, thing, when it is one of something, like the sky, the sun, the moon. It is something one. Okay, or one or specific thing. Let us discuss more about this. When the noun is specific and already identified, example, I saw the cat in the garden. Here, the speaker and the listener. The speaker and the listener know which cat is being referred to, the one in the garden. Okay. When I am saying, suppose I'll say, I saw the cat in the garden. That means when I'm telling you, and you, both me and you, both of us know about the cat. So here I'm saying, I saw the cat, not the cat. If I'll say, I saw a cat in the garden, here I can say just like I saw a cat in the garden. That means that a cat which is not known to you and me, I saw just. But when I'm saying I saw the cat, means that particular cat in the garden that you know and me know. That the both speaker and listener know about the cat, which cat we are referred to. Example, where is the book I lent you? Where is the book I lent you? So the book which I had taken from you, okay? Like, where is that book? We are talking about the particular book which I lent you. I give you that one. Understand? Okay? So here, where is the book I lent you means where is the book which I had given you? That we are talking about that particular book which I had given you. So it is where is the book. Here we cannot write where is a book I lent you. Here already the book I am talking about, that I had given the book to you. And I am the speaker, you are the listener. You also know that you have taken the book. So here the is used. Okay. The listener knows which book is being referred to. When there is only one of something, the sun rises in the east. As I told you, there is one sun, one moon, one sky. So here the is used. Second one, the moon orbits the earth. As you know that the moon moves around the earth. That the moon orbits the earth. So here we use the moon. Again, when the noun is unique or the only one of its kind, as I told you, near the superlative degree, one of his kind. He is the best student in the class. Okay. When best is the superlative degree, that is of one kind. Only particular child is the best. Suppose I will say John is the best student in the class. So here John is the particular of a student who is the best in the class. So here we use the. Again, C is the president of the company. He is the president of the company. There is only one president in this company, in the company. So we say the president. With superlatives, the tallest building in the city, the tallest building in the city. With ordinary, again, Remember with ordinal number means like first, second, third, fourth, 10th, 12th, 100th. Before ordinal number also we use the definite article. The first time I saw him. Okay. Okay. The first, the second, the 10th, the is used before the ordinal number. Then next one, number 6, with geographical features like river, oceans, and mountain ranges. That already we have discussed. The Nile is the name of a river. The Pacific Ocean, it's the name of an ocean. The Himalayas, the mountain. And already I told you the musical instrument, like C plays the piano. So piano is the musical instrument, so the is used. With names of countries that are plural or content of. Remember, this one I will little bit explain. The is you remember first, the is not used before the name of country like India. We never say the India, the Pakistan, the Nepal, the Bhutan. We don't say before the name of the country, because country is a name of a country is a proper noun. We don't use the before a proper noun. But some countries like United States of America, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, which is UAE, then the Netherlands, Philippines, those are consists of states and kingdoms. Okay, so it is consists of common nouns. Only before those names of country we use the. We say the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates, the Philippines, and the Netherlands. Because Philippines and Netherlands is a plural form. That's why we use the. And the United States of America, the United Kingdom, and United Arab Emirates. It's all consists of states and kingdoms. So it is consists of common nouns. So only these before these countries before we use the, but that we cannot write use the before any other country like the China we cannot say, the Japan we cannot say, the India we cannot say. It is wrong. Okay. Next, before adjectives use as noun. Here you see how the adjective use as noun. When we'll go to class 3 also we will know. But sometimes children also in Olympiad little bit higher like standard 2 Olympiad, some question from standard 3 syllabus also comes. So we have to prepare everything. So here before adjectives use as noun, you see the example, the injured were taken to the hospital. Okay, here he injured, actually injured person, injured lady, injured man, injured boy. If I'll say injured boy, then injured is used as adjective. An injured boy. Boy is the noun. How is the boy? Injured boy. I'll say injured man. So man is the noun and injured is the adjective. But here in this sentence, the adjective injured is used as noun. The injured were taken to the hospital. Injured means like the injured person. Okay. Maybe one person, maybe many persons. The injured. The injured. Well, here the adjective, when adjective used as noun, we have to use before the. Like another important, very, very important thing where we do not need to use adjective, omission of adjective. Children, you must remember sometime in the question paper, it is written, write a and the wherever necessary and put a cross where article is not needed. Write a and the where the article is needed and put a cross mark where article is not needed. That means before some words, article is not needed. That means the omission. Omission means we will not do, we'll omit. We will delete that. Okay? That means. So before the names of relations like father, mother, uncle, sister, grandfather, grandmother, all those, before any relatives, we do not use any article. A and the. No article is needed before relatives. Then before the names of materials like gold, silver, diamond, copper, all those. Before the materials also, we don't need any article. We cannot say or gold, and gold, the gold. It is wrong. So before any material, we do not use article. Then again, before proper noun, as I told you, before proper noun, Lotus, Chennai, Priya, we don't write. Here also, again, I am telling you, children, Lotus can be used as proper, proper noun. Sometimes Lotus can be used as common noun, depending the uses of the sentence. Okay. So before, when Lotus is used as proper noun, and as you know that proper noun always begins with capital letter, even in the middle of the sentence. So if the lotus is used as proper noun, we cannot write any article before that. So Chennai is a name of a what state? Like Priya is a name of a girl. So we don't use any article before lotus, Chennai or Priya. So now before abstract noun, and already we discussed about abstract noun like honesty, wisdom, truth, bravery, okay? Then intelligence, wisdom, all these are abstract. And childhood, like never, all these honesty, wisdom, truth, like bravery, like childhood, all are abstract noun. And before abstract noun also, we don't use any article. Let's come to before language. This is also important. Any language like English, Hindi, Tamil, like Bengali, like French, Latin, like all these languages before we don't need articles. Like before certain phrases like at noon, by train, on foot, in the corner, of the tree, all these phrases means group of words. Before also article is not needed. That means omission of articles means these are the things before which we don't use article. Children, it is very, very important. You must read it again and again so that you will remember like all the relatives, all the materials before we don't use articles, like the proper noun before we don't use, like abstract noun before we don't use articles, any language before we don't use articles, and phrases before we don't use articles. So that you will not do any mistake in article exercise. Okay. So now, um, before that. So just I want little bit like a response from you. Just tell me what I explained till now. Do you understand or not? Just tell me yes or no. Give me answer just yes or no. You under like whatever I taught. Do you understand or not? Yes or no? Give me answer, please. Yes. Can you answer me? How what I explained till now? Do you understand or not? I want your answer. I think something wrong with this YouTube. Let me rejoin. Just a minute. Let me rejoin, then we'll discuss the question answer. Okay. Advika, yes. Okay. Others also given yes. Raghav, yes. Very good. Amrita, yes. Yes. Something was wrong, so I was not able to see your response, but now it's okay. Okay. Let's go to discuss about the question answer. So the Olympiad type questions, let us discuss because we have discussed all these about like how to use this yeah, a and the and where we do not use and we can discuss now. Okay, let's go to now. Get ready to give answer. You have to only write the answer option A, B, C, D. I think question 1 to 5 very easy. Question number 1, which is the correct answer? Question number 1. Question number 1, which is the correct answer? Kutu 1A. Shivani, yes, Priti Pragya, Raghav, Seema. Okay, it is orange. You know that it begins with vowel. It must be an orange. So the correct answer is option B. Let's come to question number 2. Dash large egg. Question number 2. Give me question number 2. Option A, B, C, D. Which option? Who? 2. Question number 2. Yes. Trupti 2A. Okay. Amrita A. Shivani A. Okay. 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 Thank you. It is all large egg. We all know that. Okay. So it is all large egg. So the correct option is option A. Let's come to question number 3. Dash green field or green field and green field, dog or none of these. Which one? Which one? Yes, 3A. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Superstar. Okay. Shivani. Okay. It is question number 3. The correct option is option A or green field. Let's come to question number 4. Dash Ganges. As I told you. What? Tell me question number 4. Question number 4, correct answer. Question number 4. Tripti, 4C. Okay. Soumya Das. Soumya Das, happy birthday to you. Because Soumya Das said today is your birthday. Okay. Oh, okay. Happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. I'm just wishing. And be a good boy. Let God bless you. Okay. 4C, Kavita. Okay. 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 So question number 4, the Ganges. Okay. So the correct option is option C. And question number 5. Which one is the correct question 5? Question number 5A. Trupti said 5A. Dash large animal. All large animal. Yes. Shubhrat, Saraswat, Anna, Raghav. Okay. 5A is the correct answer. All large animal. Next. Dash Gita. Question number 6. 6 correct answer. Give me. 6. Rabi 6A. Tripti 6C. Raghav, Kuchu, Rasmita. Okay. Thank you. As you know that here Gita is not a name of a girl. It is the what we know that before, if it's a Gita name of a girl or lady, then we will use no article. But if the Gita, like it's a holy book of Hindus, that Gita, it will be the Gita. So question number 6, the correct option is option C. Let's come to question number 7. Give me answer question number 7. Dash happy person. Dash happy person. Yes. Ruby, Advika, Mamta, Raghav. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. It is a happy person. Okay. Let's come to question number 8. Dash unhappy king. Question number 8. Who can say question number 8? Question number 8. 8. Sanjukta 8C. Shubhexa 8D. Shibani 8B. Okay. Yes. Pankajini, Ruby. Okay. So many of you have given 8B. You see, children, it will be dash unhappy king. Unhappy. It begins with vowels and the vowel sound comes. So it is an unhappy king. An. And remember here, a and an is used for singular now. Singular. Okay. So here, an unhappy king. Let's come to question number 9. Dash hour ago. Question number 9. Remember, I explained while teaching this. Question number 9, Trupti, Shivani, Susrita, Amrit, Sachis, Shima. Okay, very good. Thank you. Very good. So that will be an hour ago. As I told you, H is a consonant, but it remains silent. H remains silent, and at the beginning there is vowel sound. So it will be the correct answer is Question number 9, correct answer is option B, an. Let's come to question number 10. Dash year ago. That is year. So it is not, vowel sound doesn't come. So a year ago. A year ago. So the correct answer of the question 10 is option A. Okay. Next one, fill in the blanks with the correct option. Okay. Here, children, you have to read the sentence. I see dash apple on the table. Okay. So it will be Subhasmita A. I see dash apple. Question number 11. 11B. Okay. Okay. All of you have, because you know that apple before an apple, that you are reading from your KG also. So the question number 11, the correct answer is option B, an. I see an apple, okay, on the table. Question number 12. He has dash orange in his bag. He is dash orange. Question number 12, Subhasmita B. Okay. Trupti, Arnav, Sivani, Dibya, very good, very good. Question number 12, he has an orange in his bag. Correct. Answer is option B. Let's come to question number 13. She wants dash umbrella for the rain. Again, question number 13, give me correct answer. Yes. Question number 13. 13B, Sivani, 13B, Munmai, okay. Okay, yes. C wants, very good. Thank you so much. Very good. All are giving correct answer. C wants an umbrella for the rain. And U is a vowel and the vowel sound comes. So we have to write an. Let's come to question number 14. I need dash pen to write this down. I need what? Question number 14. I need dash pen. What is I need dash pen to write this down? Which one is the 14A? Yes, I need a pen to write this down. Or pen. So the correct answer is question number 14. Correct answer is what? Answer. Then question number 15. There is dash elephant in the zoo. There is dash elephant in the zoo. There is, correct answer is 15B. Very good. Question 15, the correct answer is option B, an. There is an elephant in the zoo. Okay. Next. I want to read dash book. I want to read dash. I want to read dash book from the library. Okay. I want to read dash book from the library. Remember, when I'm talking about, I must be talking about a particular book. I want to read the book from the library, which I already know. I want to read a book from the library is not, I can say, but it is not appropriate. When I say saying that I want to read the book from the library, that particular book which is there in the library, I want that. Okay. Then next one, question number 17. She saw dash eagle flying high. She saw dash eagle flying high. Tell me, question number 17. Tell me, which one is the correct answer? Yes, by verb Sanjukta, very good. Like she saw an eagle flying high. Okay. Then question number 18. He gave me dash flower from his garden. A, and the, and none of this. He gave me What? Which is the correct answer? Question number 18. He gave me a flower from his garden. Okay. Let's come to question number 18. The correct answer is option A. Question number 19. It is dash honor to meet you. So 19 answer, you tell me option A, B, C or D. Question number 19. Suryakant, again you are sending emojis. Please, baby, better. Don't do. Question number 19. It is dash honor to meet you. It is, yes, 19B. Shreyan, Pankajini, Kavita. Okay. So as we know that our honor, honest, before we use an, because here H sound remains silent. The H remains silent and the vowel sound comes. So question number 19, the correct answer is option B, an. It is an honor to meet. Next. Question number 20. I found dash egg in the bird's nest. Give me the write the correct option, whether A, B, C or D. Yes. Question number 20. Yes. Okay. Okay, Kabita, Kuchu, Sivani, Seema. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, you all are. Yes. Everyone answer correct. Okay. Question number 20. I found an egg in the bird's nest. That is the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. See, question number 21. She bought dash dress from the shop. She bought dash dress. A and the none. Which one is the correct answer? She bought dash dress from the shop. She bought. What is that? Correct answer is Kavita 21C. 21C. She bought a dress from the shop or dress. Okay. It is not a specific. It is indefinite. It is not definite. Okay. So the correct answer is option A. Let's come to question number 22. You read the question. Read it. I will not read for you this time. You read and give me answer. Which one is the correct? Question number 22. He is eating dash ice cream. He is eating an ice cream. Yes, very good. The correct answer is option B. Thank you. All are giving correct answer. You are so smart. Okay, question number 23. You read. I will not read for you. You read the question and give me the answer. 23. Read the question. 23. Okay. Okay. Question number 23. They saw dash ostrich in the forest. As you know that ostrich is a big bird and ostrich begins with vowel and the vowel sound come. So they saw an ostrich in the forest. Then question number 24. I have dash idea for the project. Tell me question number 24. Which one is the correct answer? Soumya, I was saying class over 10 minutes ago. No, it's 10 minutes more. After 10 minutes, class will over, not now. Okay. So now I have answer is okay, 24B. Very good. Very good. All are giving correct answer. I have an idea for the project. Okay. So idea. So it begins with I and the vowel sound comes idea. So an idea. Let's come to question number 25. Again, Tell me, this is already I discussed. Where to write? Tell me question number 25, which is the correct answer. C needs dash uniform for school. Sanjukta, Kutu, Pankaj, Sanvi, Saraswati, Amrita, Jayanti. Okay, okay, okay. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. That means you remember what I said. While teaching, I said uniform, union, unicorn, unit, 1 rupee, all those before, even if they begins with vowel, they begins with vowel, but we don't use and we use or because the vowel sound doesn't come at the beginning. C needs a uniform for school. So here uniform, the sound is coming like uniform. So it is a uniform. Okay. So the question number 25, the correct answer is option A. Okay. So now I would just want to discuss a little bit. Okay. And I just want to go back and tell you, okay, this omission again, I'm telling you, omission means where we do not need, means article is not needed. Okay. Can anyone answer me any word where article is not needed? Give me, just write the word in the chat, drop the word in the chat box where article is not needed. One word. Think that article is not needed here. Omission of articles where? Tell me. Write a word where we don't use article. Where before that noun we don't use. Omission meaning we have to omit. उसको निकालना पड़े. उसको वही नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Omission means हमको नहीं चाहिए before the noun. We have to delete it. Means not delete. We don't need it. Okay. निकालना पड़ेगा. So omission. Okay. Mother, very good. Tamil Nadu, very good. Excellent. Pankajini Kavita said, okay. I want, tell me, very good. They are giving answer. Kavita mother, which word before we do not use article? Yes, some other. Only Kavita, so many times you are giving mother, mother. Okay, water. Dibyahira, water. Jayanti, what? Sunlight. Tamil Nadu. Yes, very good. Sushrita, mother, yes. Yes. Okay, as we know that you can say, ma'am, English, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, all that before. We don't use article like then abstract noun, childhood, bravery, all that we don't use. Name of any person, your friend's name. Tanvi, like Sushrita, like Reshmi, like then again we can say any name, your father's, mother's name, uncle's name, before we don't use. Okay. Then the material like gold, silver, diamond, copper, iron, all that material also we don't like use article. Then what else? What else? And where we use the, remember, before each and every musical instrument we use the. Okay. Katak, very good. Uncle, thank you. Pankajini written and Kavita, very good. Okay. Thank you so much. That means you understand. Okay. So I just want to go back and show you the picture a little bit so that you will remember. Like you can say or person or thing or place. Again, you can say, you can see or university or uniform, okay, or 1 rupee note or unit, 1 rupee note, one-eyed animal, sometimes we say that is, okay. So you can see the picture, then you can remember, I'm showing it. Like girl, clock and lamp, all are, we use A before that because all are A all the words are like general word, and it begins with consonants. Apple, you know, an orange, you know that, an umbrella, an eye. And you see that the musical instrument, flute, violin, guitar, piano, casio, or harmonium, all are musical instrument. Before that, we use the. Here you know that the sun, the moon, the sky, all that is also we use the. The North Pole, the South Pole, okay, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Mahanadi, okay, the Kaveri, the Everest, the Kanchenjunga, the Himalayas, all that. Okay. Now I just want to a little bit talk with you. So just tell me, how are you all? Are you enjoying the class or not? Just you give me yes or no. I am Steve Subrat Lenka. I'm Steve. What do you mean? I don't understand. Okay. Are you all good? Just give me answer. Yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. 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 I guess you all are good. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, okay. I know that. So again, we will meet next week, next Friday, with a new chapter. And article is over. Then we are going to read about tense, which is very, very important, which is there, which will come in your school exam and also Olympiad. So I guess you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Okay. And have a good evening. Like good night. Bye bye.